Hi Sissy gang, what's up, what's popping? How you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. The same clothes from the last video you just watched because it's the same day. Okay, so yeah, I just want to vlog. I don't know, I know I'm not getting what I'm supposed to get on YouTube, but I can't stop creating memories because that's basically what I do. Okay, I'm addicted. Anyways, if it's your first time here, hello, my name is 𝗖𝗽𝘂𝗵 and I'm a Nigerian food and lifestyle blogger currently based in Dubai, UAE.
Shein. From Shein.
Yeah.
There you go.
How much?
So 190.05.
So I just got my package from Shein. This is an epic fail because I don't know why it's so black. I think the sugar was too much or maybe the oil was too much. I really cannot tell, but yeah, my first attempt and the worst attempt. I feel so sad. So you guys, I just did a video unboxing my package from Shein. Let's give you guys a small wow. So this is one of the things I got on Shein. The video is going to be out after this one, so you guys should get ready. Look at it's so cute. You see, Shein. This is another one. These are the rests. Okay, so let me just give you guys a little suspense. I'll try and edit them. I got about 20 pieces. Yeah, 20, yeah, whatever. I got about 20 stuff, so yeah, prepare to see the video pretty soon. We are fucked. He is more fucked and I am fucked, bro.
Premium.
You know they post that for Facebook. Akamu. I tell you, say me they do Facebook. You know they ever hear what?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Facebook, people when I get for Facebook, they don't hear say.
African waiting. African in Dubai, I've been Africans in UAE. You get one auntie where they there where they always post. The way she they post her hair, say she they make hair, you go think say she they frustrated. But now, no be joke. But now, so person has put himself out there. If you don't put yourself out there, that person won't take nothing and wait till they do. And go they surprised if you post and you go see people where we won't do hair. Before me self no say they do hair and go. No be there they go. So you guys put yourself out there first. Don't be like the person they do Ghana weaving. Now wait till the time for not best this.
So neat.
It has to be neat now. And when I'm not an enemy.
Oh, Tommy.
Tommy give them. So you guys, this is like 1:30 a.m. in the midnight, okay? And I just finished my hair. Finally, my baby girl has braids on. I'm ready to kill it. Anyways, I'm about to take a shower and go sleep. It's about to be a very long day for me today. A really long day. A really long day, guys. Yeah. Remember I said a lot has been going on. A whole freaking lot. This is the definition of the a lot. That this is just a tip of what I am going through right now. I got a new job and I have to resume by 6. For someone like me that is not a morning person, this is going to be tough. I'll just use the mindset that, okay, I'm in Lagos, I'm still working at Ebano. That's just what I have, because I slept for just 2 hours. I made my hair yesterday and I finished around past 2. I finished around 1:30 and I slept around past 3 or thereabouts. I'm gonna be fine. That's just all I have to say. And it's so chilly, like it's so cold. They said there is winter in Dubai. I never believed. This morning weather is given, honestly. Thank God I'm wearing a sweater, because what? Eh? So you guys, I'm just going to pretend like I am okay. I'm gonna pretend like I'm okay, because tell me why. I don't know if you can tell from my voice, but I've literally not had a proper sleep. I went to work by 6, right? And then they told me to go back home and come back tomorrow, resume tomorrow and all that bullshit, only for me to get a message a few minutes ago that I should come to work by 11. And this is almost 11. If at any point anyone tell you that living abroad is sweet, I'm not saying it's not sweet. I mean, there's money here, trust me, there's mad money living outside Nigeria. But the peace of mind, the body pain, the depression, and so much more that I can't even start to list right now, that will hit you. I'm just gonna go to the work and pretend like I'm okay. Not going to Burj Khalifa, no money. Big meat.